Actor-turned-Ormoc Mayor Richard Gomez took a break from all things COVID-19 on Father's Day. He trooped to the kitchen tagging his unika hija Juliana along. The father-daughter bonding session had one mission: cook the best sinigang na baka for his vlog. Gomez posted this preview on Instagram a day before the video was published on YouTube.
I'm cooking a Filipino favorite, sinigang na baka. Carlang is here. Look at that.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
Wow. How's that?
How about rice?
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.